Silver, Piligatol Junjel M. Zipsilians. Please proceed to the podium now. Si Mary Claire Herbito sa C4, siya na siya award. Hortelano Josh Claw. Wala si Hortelano?
Second call of Matoto Liz Andrea Marie from Acre versus Lisondra Winstreet A. Sicilians. Please proceed to the inspection area of Court 2. Second call of Regis Althea Shea B. from KG versus Magalso Jason from Sicilians. Please proceed to the inspection area of Court 2.
Coach po ng Court 4. Coach ng Court 4. Coaches po ng Court 4. Coaches ng Court 4.
Second call of Doya Vicky Kitchen from Acme versus Celebal Ashley G. from Tibet. Please proceed to the inspection area of Court 2.
May I request Princess Juna Canafuego and Mary Claire Herbito to please be here at the table.
Medics, please leave me sa Court 1. Medics, thank you. Court 1.
Dili po hindi mo claim sa medal o dili complete uniform. Again, Kiro Guineo, Junior Novice, Gold, Hortelanos, Josh Claw, Zipsilians, Silver, Piligatol Junjel M. Zipsilians, Kiro Guineo, Junior Novice, Gold, Fernandez, Ryan Anthony, Zipsilians. Silver, Mangyao Russell J. KG Tinkity. Bronze, Leonardo Andre Zipsilians. Bronze 2, Italy AJ and Gold.
Okay, attention po tayo. Each club po, may coaches po na assign kada club. We require them to wear a proper dress. Once you say proper dress, naka-close shoes po. Walang naka-crocs, walang naka-chinelas, and walang naka-shorts. Please, officiating
Anyone from Balian Sicilians na may player na walay coach? Balian Sicilian.
Bronze, Ilonado, Hartree, and Itsumi Eche. Gold for Olagi.
Anyone from Balian na may player na walay coach nasa court 1? Pero hindi na lang natin yung kumali ha. Hindi mo na yung magbatos.
Asa sa Ilonado, Hartree. Junjun lang ito, Junjun.
Last call of Batoto leads Andrea Marie from Up versus Lisandra Fitzjane A from Sicilians. Please proceed to the court series.
Purity Male Cadet Intermediate. Prospero Christian Jules V. Seahorse Red Armor versus Laurel Peter Brand of Atbu Blue Armor. Please proceed to court 3.
Last call of Doya Yumiki Bizet from Up versus Sinibal Ashley G from Tabuela. Please proceed to the inspection area of court 2. Thank you.
For female cadets Samaria, Red Armor, Hazel May Tomado of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Catherine Tejero of Panthers. Again, for female cadets Samaria, Red Armor, Hazel May Tomado of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Catherine Tejero of Panthers. Proceed to court number 1. Another fight for female cadets Samaria, Red Armor, Cyrene Bahan of CTD versus Blue Armor, Crishal Caballero of Avte Vipers. Again, for female cadets Samaria, Red Armor, Cyrene Bahan of CTD versus Blue Armor, Joseph Caballero of Avte. Proceed to court 1.
Blue Armor, Girona Kimberly T from Tabuela versus Omich Team Sofia Bianca A from Trojans. Red. Please proceed to the inspection area of court 2.
Kyurugi female cadet, Red Armor, Jean Bell Gomez of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Chantal Cabonilas of Panthers. Again, for Kyurugi female cadet, Red Armor, Jean Bell Gomez of Sicilians versus Chantal Cabonilas of Panthers. Proceed to court 1.
Blue Armor, De La Serna Shanika from Jump Boys versus Kizon Trisha Kels from Atbo. Please proceed to the inspection area of court 2. Thank you.
Kyurugi Male Junior Novice. Gold, Abilito Clarence.
Last call of Toto Liz Andrea Marie versus Lisandra Fitzjane from Sicilians.
Abilido Escabas, Mark Stephen, April Vincent Day, and Boo.
Pinagkukuan. Ha? Ha? Apa ito tayo?
Pwede ka itong bansyan na ang background na
Ah, napay-fight. Diyan sa lista.
ay picture. Ano ang bansyan? Kaya dito na ako ng background. Gold, Abelidio Clarence. Silver is Kamas Mark Stephen. Bronze, Abel Vincent D. Beijing Kagangi. Beijing Kagangi, please proceed to the center table.
Last call of Duya Yubiki is there. From Afti, Blue Armor, and Red Armor, Sinibal Ashley J.
Stephen Escabas o Abilido Dire. Dom Escabas, Abilido Vincent April Dire. Dire.
Escabas, Ani, Tos, Peter. Oh, armor mo. Red, blue. Madaog ninyo kung trani.
For eliminations, female cadet Sumerian, Red Armor, Alexa Kate Ramos of Trojans versus Blue Armor, Karen Eagle of Tubalan. Again, for female cadet Sumerian eliminations, Red Armor, Alexa Kate Ramos of Trojans versus Blue Armor, Karen Eagle of Tubalan. Proceed to inspection area Ward 1. For finals, Red Armor, Thea Blaze Andalas of EJ Tigidi versus Blue Armor, Mary Claire
Sinibal Ashley J. Asa naman ka?
versus Blue Armor, Mary Claire Marconia of Anbu. For finals, Red Armor, Thea Blaze Andalas of EJ Tigidi versus Blue Armor, Mary Claire Marconia of Anbu. Proceed to inspection area Court 1.
May I request Gonzales MacLever A, Construction Taekwondo. Please proceed to the table.
Sinibal Ashley J. from the Weather.
ikaw sa'yo, wala pa.
Silver, Gonzales Mac Clever Consolacion, CTP. Please proceed to the podium now.
Second call of De La Serna Shanika from Jaguars and versus Quizon Trisha King from Anco. Please proceed to the inspection area. Last call of Gerona Kimberly from the Buelan versus Omich Team Sofia Bianca from Trojans.
Second call, Kirugi Male Cadet Intermediate, Rosalana Clark Ann of Z-Force Red Armor versus Pulikin Neil Ivan F. of Sicilians Blue Armor. Please proceed here at Court 3 right now.
Paway sila, paway. Ha? Ano, Kiko?
Matoto Liz Andrea Bani from Active Blue Armor and
Oh,
Red
oh,
Armor.
tara, mga haon sa ta, mga haon.
Exchange.
Ayan na magpagtawag. O, yan na magpagtawag, mga haon sa ta. Hold sa ta, ha? Hold sa ta, eh?
Awarding John Kerwin Cano, gold. Zai Kenda, gold. Ay, wala ni. John Kerwin Cano, gold. Zai Kenda, gold.
Last call of De La Serna Shanika from Jaguars versus Quizon Trisha King from Angu. Please proceed for the inspection area of Court 3. First call, Gimohala Jamela May from Fighters, Blue Armor versus Red Armor, Silangan Sunny from Please proceed to the inspection area of Court 2.
Atong nagadaw na kahapon, pala yung suot na sa mga kuhan. Uniform, hindi pa magsuot.
Pabisyon, ha?
For exhibition, Red Armor, Fatima Oy of Active versus Driana Zata Cortez of Active. Proceed to Court 1. For exhibition, Fatima Oy, Red Armor versus Driana Zata Cortez of Active, Blue Armor. Proceed to Court 1.
May I request Kabusas Golden